Hey everyone, welcome back to Ash English Lab. Compound words are made by joining two words together to create one new word. For example, sun plus flower, sunflower. Learning compound words will help improve your English vocabulary, speaking and writing skills. Sun, set. Sunset. The sunset looks beautiful. Sunrise. Sunrise. We watch the sunrise. Firefly. Firefly. A firefly glowed in the dark. Seahorse. Seahorse. The seahorse swims slowly. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. The jellyfish floated away. Goldfish. Goldfish. My goldfish is small. Handbag. Handbag. She bought a new handbag. Handshake. Handshake. They greeted with a handshake. Raincoat. Raincoat. Wear your raincoat. Earache. Earache. He has an earache. Headache. Headache. She has a headache. School bag. School bag. My school bag is blue. School work. School work. I finished my school work. School bus. School bus. The school bus arrived early. Moon walk. Moonwalk. He tried the moonwalk. Hair band. Hairband. She wore a hairband. Classmate. Classmate. My classmate is friendly. Roommate. Roommate. My roommate is helpful. Housekeeper. Housekeeper. The housekeeper cleaned the room. Snowball. Snowball. He threw a snowball. Bathrobe. Bathrobe. She wore a bathrobe. Cupboard. Cupboard. The plates are in the cupboard. Doorway. Doorway. He stood in the doorway. Watchman. Watchman. The watchman guards the gate. Daytime. Daytime. We played in the daytime. Night time. Night time. The stars shine at night time. Lighthouse. Lighthouse. The lighthouse guides ships. Bookmark. Bookmark. I put a bookmark in my book. Stardust. Stardust. The sky looked full of stardust. Moonstone. Moonstone. She wore a moonstone ring. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. The thunderstorm was loud. Bed sheet. Bed sheet. The bed sheet is clean. Practice these words daily, repeat the sentences, and use them in your own conversations. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite compound word, share with your friends, subscribe to Ash English Lab. Keep learning English and keep shining. See you in the next amazing video. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.